Hello Army, welcome back to my unboxing show. As I promised, I will do unboxing video for the BTS official light stick special edition Map of the Soul. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside the box. Well, I would like to say thank you for Katings UAE, which is she's the person who helps me to get this light stick before even I joined the membership. As you know, I had a lot of struggle to join the Army membership. Well, now I'm officially Army member, so I'm happy for that. But yeah, I would like to credit to Katings UAE to help me to get this for me. Right, let's do unboxing right now. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Well, to make sure it's authentic or original, so you always check this hologram sticker from Big Hit. Let's open now. Well, actually it's open already, but I repackaged for you guys. Okay, this is the look. Okay, it's so beautiful. Okay, next what you will you'll get a dust bag. Okay, with BTS logo and Army logos in the other way around. It's beautiful. Let's put it here. And next, you'll get a strap. Also, the same thing with BTS logo and Army logo in the other way around. You know how much BTS love Army, right? So yeah, this is how it is. And the warranty card, of course, they have to give us the warranty card. And here we go, the photo cards. Let's check it out. Can you see it, guys? Okay. I love you, RM. It is my favorite. Hello, Jean. I love you too. Hello, Suga. My God, this is so difficult. Okay. J-Hope, I love you. Our sunshine. Hello, Jimin. I love you. My mochi. Hello, V. Oh, look at that. Our Gucci boy, Jungkook. Okay, are we complete? Yes, we complete. So, I already insert the battery, as you know, because I used it already before. So, it needs 3 battery, like AAA, something like that. Yeah. So, it's all set now. This is to switch on. Just slide up and then slide down. That's to the Bluetooth mode. It will connect to the phone. I will connect to my my iPhone right after this. And there is a 5 mode that you can choose. This is to keep. Let's just stay like this. And then quick. Oh no, sorry, it's a slow. Quick. And then flash. And dimming. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now I would like to show you how to connect to Weverse. Okay, first you have to connect to the Bluetooth and select Weverse. Choose BTS, go to the media, go to the music video. Here we go. And choose the music that you want to play, which is supported by Army Bombs. I want to play this one. Mic drops. Connect. Play. Can you see it? Wow. Ooh, beautiful, isn't it? So the colors change. It's so pretty. And now, how to connect to the concert, to BTS official apps. Okay, in case you join the concert, you can, of course, definitely have to press concert mode. And for now, we can just try the self mode. Okay, and then the one that I have is special edition. So special edition, connect. And now this is the magic start, guys. So you can change the color. Look at this. Purple, red, green, blue. This is super magic. Look at this. I like this. This is pretty. Oh my god, this is just amazing. This is the best thing I ever had. Oh my god, this is super lovely. All right, I hope this review can help you who plan to buy a light stick. Never give up. Nothing is impossible. If I can get it, you can get it as well. See you guys.